Hello, let's talk about display ads on mobile devices. People spend a lot of time on their mobiles these days. So, it's important to think through how your display ads work on their devices. Display advertising can help you achieve a lot of different goals, like finding new customers, or building a brand name. No matter what you're trying to do, mobile is going to be a really important part of your display advertising approach. Display advertisements are all about capturing the attention of people browsing content online. That holds true in the mobile world as well. But there are few important differences to consider. Let's start with size. Think about all of the different types of mobile devices out there. You've got smartphones large and small, tablets, phablets and smartwatches. And who knows what new devices will be popular in a year or two. With so many different devices being used, it's safe to say that a one-size-fits-all approach to display ads isn't going to work. Just think about it. You might have an ad that is super engaging on a tablet, but is oversized, or awkward on a smaller mobile. Or an ad that's perfect for a mobile, but doesn't capture the attention of a tablet user. So, if you want your display ads to be successful on mobile, you're going to need to experiment a bit. Try to find the right combination of ad formats to fit the devices your audience are using. This will give you a really good opportunity to dramatically increase the reach of your display campaigns. And here's some great news. If you're using the Google Ads platform to run your ads, you can use the free Google Ad Gallery to quickly create professional-looking display ads, in all shapes and sizes. Just like normal display ad campaigns, mobile display campaigns can be targeted to the audience you are trying to reach, based on their interests. That's true whether you are using Google Ads or other mobile advertising networks like InMobi. For example, if you're a plumber, you might target people who are looking at websites that review plumbing services. What's unique about the mobile world is you aren't limited to showing your ads on websites. You can go a step further and show your ads on mobile apps as well. Apps have become a huge part of how people spend time on their mobiles. So it's more important than ever to include mobile apps in your display ad approach. If this seems complicated, don't worry. We're going to take you through it now. Remember our plumbing example? We showed how your mobile display ads might target websites that offer reviews, right? Well, it's quite similar with apps. You can target specific apps that are relevant to your plumbing business. Perhaps ones that provide reviews, how-to information, or DIY content. So, when people are using those kinds of apps, your ads can appear. By including apps in your mobile display approach, you can reach even more potential customers. Let's do a bit of a recap. Display ads on mobile are evolving rapidly, as new technologies reshape the landscape. There are multiple mobile ad networks that you can use, such as Google Ads or InMobi. A display strategy that doesn't include mobile is incomplete, because mobile is such a huge part of people's lives. And a mobile display strategy that doesn't include apps is also incomplete, for the exact same reason. Fortunately, it's easy to experiment with different ad formats and targeting options so that you can find out what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.